Alright, so we're gonna unbox the Andersson power bank with 20,000 milliampere. Where did you buy this?
I won it in the lottery.
Won it in the lottery. Wow. What kind of lottery are you joining?
I just went to a website and it says like I got a mail and it says it's your lucky day or something,
Okay,
and
cool.
I just click it and I received this.
So you got scammed, I guess.
I
Okay.
didn't pay a lot. It was only $10,000 for this.
Open it. Alright, so how many phone can you charge in that power bank?
Well, that depends on your battery size, but on average, this one should be able to charge around 4 phones because it's a 20,000 milliamp and the standard battery for a phone is probably around 5,000.
How heavy is that?
It's pretty heavy actually, but it says it's allowed on planes, so I guess it's just the amount you need.
Can you try one phone, for example? What is that? What does it mean?
I'm
Means
guessing it's
80%
80%. That's my guess.
How long you should charge that power bank to get it?
Oh, I'm guessing it's gonna
Full?
take a while, but I don't know. I didn't do the research yet.
Wow, this is a nice box though. I can put coins on it. Is this a Norwegian brand or Swedish?
Sounds Danish to me or Swedish, but yeah, Sweden.
Yeah, I know, because when it's son in the end, it's Swedish. Alright. So, that's it guys. That's all.
And we have 2 USB-A, 1 micro USB, and 1 USB-C.
Oh, so
I
you
think
can use...
I think when you're charging the power bank, I think that's the USB-A's, and you can use the USB-C and micro USB for charging your phone. That's my guess.
I think you can use both.
No, there's always like input output.
Is it?
Yeah, we can
Check the manual.
Let's check it. It's even in Norwegian. So it says here 4 and 5. Yeah, you're right actually.
See?
Well, you're not completely right, but these two you can use for both, and those USB-A is for out. So I was completely off, but yeah, those two is only for charging your phone, and those you can use for
Charging the battery.
Yeah.
See? I'm correct. Almost. 50-50. Okay.
We were both wrong, but I was more wrong. Let's be correct about it here.
Yes, you are always wrong. Alright guys, that's it for today's unboxing. And I will see you on our next very useful unboxing video. Bye!